Prepare to push the button. Push the button.
Man.
Here we go. Now go to the button. Let go of the button. Now look at the code. Now look at the code.